Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, June 28th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So natural gas right now, I don't see a clear play longer term. What I'm waiting for is, so we have our high here in, we have our low in here. We have a lower high and a higher low so far. So I'm either going to wait longer term for a swing for either this recent high to break of 3.431, or I'm going to wait for to see if this recent low breaks of 2.855 with confirmation of obviously breaking lower here at 2.522, and that would signal that we're in a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low pattern. So we'll wait to see how this develops first over the coming weeks. Again, I'm not playing NatGas. There have been easier plays. The daily has been all over the place. Let me zoom in on the daily here. Had this crazy gap down, gap up. So it's been not the easiest to play. So I'm going to stay away from right now. However, if you do want to play it bullish, you do have this TCG bull cross 4 EMA over the 8 EMA. It is above the 20 EMA here. It did break these recent lower highs here. So we had this high, a lower high, and then another lower high on these wicks. We did break it today, but again closed below all three of these wicks. And so what I would like to see is a close above this recent high of 3.09, this week here, 3.095 here on this candle. Break above this high here, and then see if we can start moving up and take out some of these candlestick resistances here. And then the next resistance after we get above those will be this recent high here of 3.328. Again, I just think there's either plays out there than NatGas right now. And if I'm not comfortable with the chart, I'm not going to be in the play. I wouldn't recommend a play. Couldn't recommend a play because if I'm not willing to play, choose a play in NatGas, I wouldn't recommend it to anyone else either. We do have a bullish MACD here. And if we zoom out, to the weekly, we are still long term in a bear pattern. So what you could see is if you wait for this play to play out, if you wait for that play to play out, then on this break of this recent low here of 2.522, you would play it bearish. You could get into an early bear play if it broke this recent low here of 2.855 with an expectation that if we don't set a higher high here and we break this recent low here of 2.855, then you can play it bearish with good amount of reasoning to be confident that we're going to potentially test this low here of 2.522 and then break it. But that's going to take some time to develop in this equilibrium pattern. And again, I'm not playing NatGas in any direction until I get a clearer view of what's happening here in longer term. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.